Now on this lesson, P5, composition of linear functions, find an equation. Now that you've done P4, we're going to do P5. It's going to have the same concept, but we're not going to be getting a value. We're not going to be finding one number. We're going to be finding an equation. And so remember, this is pronounced, just a second. This is pronounced B of C of X, okay? And so you would put X into C, and whatever that answer is, you're going to put it into B. Now, on the first two of these examples, it's going to be kind of like, what are you talking about? But after the second problem, it's going to make a little bit more sense. So we're going to put X into C. Well, X is already in C, so C of X is 6X plus 1. So we're going to put this answer into every X of B. So now I'm looking for B of 6X plus 1, and since it's 5X, this is going to go here. So 6X plus 1, and then you simplify. So we're going to distribute. So 30X plus 5. Those are not like terms, so that is going to be your answer. C of D of X. See, this is already D of X, and I'm looking for D of X, so it's going to be 3X. So 3X is what's going to go into C. So C of 3X equals X plus 5. So 3X is going to go there. You're not multiplying, you're not doing anything, so really your answer is just 3X plus 5 because they are not like terms. Now, let's do this one. So we have, and that's why this is here, because I was afraid I was going to forget what I needed to make sure we were doing. So what I'm about to say is that reason. So this is saying P of Q of C. Well, Q of C is not this right here. This is Q of X. So I need to find Q of C first. Q of C is going to be 3C plus 3. Basically, everywhere there's an X, you're going to put a C, and you're going to be finished. And now this is going to go into the X of your P. So P of 3C plus 3 equals 4 times 3C plus 3. And we are going to simplify this, and this is going to be our answer. So we're going to distribute. So 12C plus 12. So D into B, and that answer into A. So I'm going to put D, B of D. Everywhere there's an X, I'm going to put D. So negative 6D plus 6. So A is negative 6D plus 6 equals 4X plus 10. And negative 6D plus 6 goes in there. Again, this is our answer, but not simplified answer. So we have to distribute. So negative 24D plus 24 plus 10. These are like terms. So negative 24D plus 34. And that's what you're going to type in the box. Okay. And here you go. So G into X, and that answer into F, but we already have G of X. So basically we're putting that one in here. So I need to be more specific, sorry. So F of negative 6X plus 4 equals 5X minus 7. So 6X plus 4 goes in here. We're going to distribute, and we're going to put our like terms together. it for that problem. And then, just to make sure we understand what's going on, this f of g of x, okay, basically what we've already been doing. We already have g of x, so it's going to go into our f of x. So f of 5x equals, let me write that a little bit different. Sorry. So if g of x equals 5x, then f of 5x equals 5x plus 6. Distribute, and that's going to be your answer for this right here. Okay. Now, how are we going to pronounce this? If this is f of g of x, what is this? This is g of f of x. Well, what is f of x? F of x is 3x plus 6. So we are going to replace f of x with 3x plus 6, and that equals 5x. So 3x plus 6 goes here. Distribute. Did we get the same answers? No. And usually, we're not going to. And usually, they're not even that close to being the same thing. Most of the time, they're like completely different and everything like that. So, that's what you do. You got to get both parts right to be able to get that problem right. F of g of x. What is g of x? Negative 6x plus 4. What is f? 5x minus 7. So negative 6x plus 4. Negative 30x plus 20 minus 7. Negative 30x plus 13. Goes into the first box. G of f of x. G, what is f of x? 5x minus 7. That's going to go into the g, which is negative 6x plus 4. So 5x minus 7 goes here. Negative 30x plus 42 plus 4. And negative 30x plus 46 goes into that box right there. All right, have fun.